Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy Samantha Dion, and I'm outside KSC taking you inside KSC.
This week, teams at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida stacked the Launch Vehicle Stage Adapter, or LVSA, on NASA's Space Launch System rocket. This piece of flight hardware was bolted to the forward skirt atop the rocket's core stage on the mobile launcher in the Vehicle Assembly Building. Scheduled next for stacking is the interim cryogenic propulsion stage, or ICPS. The ICPS's RL-10 engine will fit inside the LVSA, which protects the engine during launch. The ICPS is the upper stage of the rocket and will provide the Orion spacecraft the boost needed for its journey around the Moon. Artemis 1 will test SLS and the Orion spacecraft as an integrated system prior to crewed flights in which NASA will land the first woman and person of color on the Moon. The Gateway Program Deep Space Logistics Procurement Team at Kennedy received a 2021 Top Supply Chain Projects Award from Supply and Demand Chain Executive Magazine for innovative and transformative work on the Gateway Logistics Services contract. This year's award accounted for the additional challenges presented by the global pandemic.
For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.